The container literally just got here and, oh, they opened the freaking door. Let's go check it out real quick. I'm a little scared actually on how this looks because Miguel over there shipped it for me and I've never shipped anything via container. So this is kind of scary. This is an expensive car. Dude, that is so close. Are you sure? Did it clear?
Of course. We made sure it cleared.
Oh man, that's solid. That's crazy. Look how creative they got in Japan. All right, so I'm not sure if you guys could see that. It might be a little dark, but we'll show you later. But we have a Land Cruiser right in front of the AZ1 with straps, or actually cables, up on the ceiling. How are you gonna cut those cables?
Oh, no. It's bolted down.
Hold up.
You see that? How creative is this?
Are we good or are we good?
It's pretty good. Holy shit. I'm quite surprised that this clears. Look at that. Yeah, don't undo the Land Cruiser.
I don't think I want to do that. I'm underneath.
Christ. We'll all be dead. Good. Wow, full access. All right, where the f are you? I see. Oh.
What was that?
Baby engine. Oh, they even got JDM tape on this. Japanese batteries have smaller terminals. You guys see that?
Yeah, so if you want to replace your battery, make sure you get a Prius battery.
Prius, noted. Where the hell's a negative? Oh, right here. Gotta use my head. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay, we're connected. It's hot! Oh, this is so cool! Yeah, oh no. Yeah. Look how clean this is. We got all the plastics covered. Oh, everything's covered. Little passes. Look at that. The seat is like perfect. Dude. Oh my God. Ah, that's tight. That's so awesome. All right, so we got the car out of the container sketchily, and big thanks to Michelle at Alpharex for letting us use her loading dock, or else we couldn't take this thing down. But quick rundown of the car. Obviously, this is an AZ1, but this is the M2 1015, which is one of 350 ever made. These things are super rare. This only has around 29,000 miles. I don't know what it is in kilometers, but this version of the AZ1's got a different bumper right here. Kind of looks like a rally car from back in the day. The chassis, the power, everything, it's essentially the same as the other AZ1s. The M2 package is literally just like a cosmetic thing. So you get the body kit, the side skirts. I think the side skirts are kind of OEM. You get the wing, the wheels, and that's pretty much it. I think like the inside treatment's slightly different. Got the red seats, but dude, if you guys want to buy one of these, It'll run you a good amount. I paid roughly around $30,000 for this, not including importation. And that's what's gonna cost you a lot, because if you wanna ship with a container, it's gonna cost you more than, say, roll on, roll off in a boat. Ro-ro is basically like you park your car in the boat and then they take it out. But the workers will do that for you. With a container, you load it, then you unload it and no one touches it. But if you come around back here, you can see that this version's got a fancy wing, all right? You could like it, or some like it, some don't. I actually like the Mazda Speed one better, but this came with the car and I'm not gonna change it because it looks pretty cool. Or I might, I don't know. We'll see. The cool thing about this car is you can actually remove all the panels like an NSX, so you don't have to cut anything. If you don't like it, just pop it off, replace it, save the other ones, and then you can pop it back on later if you want the OEM look. But other than that, I mean, I think this looks kind of like a McLaren F1, you know, like the OG McLaren F1s. There's only one, but you know, pretty freaking badass. So that's it. Now we're gonna start building this guy for SEMA.